Three rules and regulations from Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, the executive governor of Anambra State. Yes, these three rules and regulations, I will tell you people so that you will not fall victim on it. So that you will not fall victim on it. Just share this video so that others can see. Number one rule. When you are going to anywhere around this upper work or around Anambra State, whenever you drink pure water or canned water, don't ever try to throw it down. Don't ever try to. Just after drinking the pure water, you just throw it away. Don't try it. Because whenever you try it, when Soludo boys catch you must surely pay 50,000 naira for it. So that you will not violate this law. Just share this video so that others can see. So that you will not violate this law. Whenever you drink pure water or canned water or sachet water or whatever thing that you eat, don't ever try to throw it down. Even though you are in vehicle or private car, you drink pure water or canned water or mineral, don't ever try to throw it down, because whenever you throw it down, you have already violated the law. Yes, don't ever try to throw it down, because whenever you throw it down, immediately, bam, when Soludo boys catch you, you must surely pay 50,000 naira instantly. You must surely pay 50,000 naira instantly. No mercy for that person. Number two rule in this Anambra State, so that you will not fall victim. Listen and listen very carefully so that you will not fall victim on that. Just share this video. Second rule. No more working on night. Whenever it is 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, don't work on that day. Just gently go home, because when Soludo boys catch you, you must surely pay 50,000 naira before they will release you. Before they will release you. I know the reason that I'm saying all this. Yeah, so that you will not fall victim on it. So that you will not fall victim on it. Number third rule. Listen and listen very carefully. So that this third rule, even your cousin or your relation or whatever it is, so that your relation will never fall victim on it. Obu Nebu only Yahoo. Let me speak it in our Igbo language, because so our Igbo brothers will understand it. Obu Nebu only Yahoo in a toru. Bambo stop worrying at, because Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo boys nwetegi. Iwu fatiri kita bu na nwetegi. Agaghị. Immediately straight to prison according to ife kwuru. Ha si na enwete n'ime Yahoo. Enwetegi agaghị. No miss. Bambo share this video so that your relation, your cousins, your loved ones, when they will see it, so that they will not fall victim on it. Just share this video. Go to our briefing with Adirun. Thanks for watching.